Good morning, students. We'll continue with the same chapter, and it is energy. But the topic today will be potential energy. You know, potential energy is stored in a body due to the change in position of a body. And potential energy has two forms. First is elastic potential energy, and second is gravitational potential energy. Elastic potential energy can be stored in a body when a work is done on a body to change the size and shape of a body. So whenever there is change in size and shape of a body is brought about on doing some work on the body, then energy called elastic potential energy is stored in it. For example, when you stretch the rubber of the catapult, that rubber being stretched now has elastic potential energy stored. And since the energy is stored in it, it can do some work, because when you release the rubber back, the stone that comes out at a great speed may hit anyone. Similarly, wound up spring, when you wind up the spring, like in the watches also we wind up the spring, so elastic potential energy is stored in that spring. So this is the reason why this spring once again get released is able to move the hands of the clock. So these are the examples of elastic potential energy. We have second form of potential energy, which is called gravitational potential energy, and this energy is stored in a body when work is done on a body to take the body at some height from the ground. So when a body is at some height from the earth or from the ground, then the body will possess an energy called gravitational potential energy. For example, fan in the ceiling, it has potential energy, gravitational potential energy stored in it. Water stored in a dam also has gravitational potential energy stored. Let us now see the expression for potential energy. So next is expression for gravitational potential energy. As we know that for any body to have some kind of energy stored in it, some work has to be done on it. That means a body can store energy only when some work is done on the body. Here it is gravitational potential energy. So in this case, the work done on a body should be able to raise the body to some height, that is from the ground. And we know that work done is equal to force into distance. And the amount of force that has to be exerted on a body to lift it up above the ground will be given as m into g, that is mass into acceleration due to gravity. So say a body of mass m is raised to a height, then acceleration due to gravity will be acting on that body, which is given by g. So product of mass and acceleration due to gravity will be the total amount of force that can be exerted on a body to lift it at some height. And let us suppose the distance covered above the ground while lifting is h. H here is the height, which is altogether the distance covered by the body while lifting the body up. So we got work is equal to mgh. We also know that whenever we do any amount of work on a body, that work is being converted into the energy which is stored in a body. For example, if we do 10 joule of work to lift the body to certain height, then the energy stored in that body will also be equal to 10 joule. And this time the energy stored in a body will be called gravitational potential energy. So work done will be equal to the energy stored in a body. So here the energy stored will be potential energy, which is equal to mgh. So we got the expression for potential energy is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity and into height. We can also write U, because U denotes potential energy, which is equal to m into g into h. Let us do one example, one numericals based on this. Suppose a body of mass 10 kg is raised to a height of 20 meters above the ground, and the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second square. Then what will be the amount of energy, potential energy stored in that body? We know it is U is equal to m into g into h. So we can write m is 10 into g. G is 9.8 and height is 20 meters. We can remove this decimal to cancel the zeros. So final answer what we are getting is 1960. 1960 meter or joule, sorry, since we are finding out the energy. So 1960 joule is the total potential energy that is stored on a body of mass 10 kg when it is lifted to a height of 20 meters. This way you can practice more and more numericals